Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the tea room, David Bradley. Here, I'm loading the directory on a disk. Oh, yeah, it's a copy of all the performance stuff. You know, there's some great things on this. There is. Let me do this again. What is the system test? I'm not sure. This is a copy of a disk. Of course, they're all copies of disks, aren't they? Burn in. 64 burn in. Pick 20 burn in. I'm going to make sure I don't have this disk in there. Does this list? Oh, it lists. Okay, let's stop that. Let's type run. Press return. Okay, 1541 system test. Let's return to start full test. Oh, well, I'm going to take this disk out of there. Insert a formatted disk halfway into the drive. Okay. Checking. Okay. Insert the check for write protect off. Okay, we'll put this disk all the way in. Okay. It's doing the speed belt test. Cannot read disk. System has failed speed test. Remove formatted disk from drive. The drawer turning power off. Press return. What do you mean it's... How can you not read the disk? Alright, hold on here. Unless this did some damage to this disk. File not found. This just worked. I can't type. I can't think. Open 15, 8, 15, quote, I0, quote, colon, close 15. Did it do it? Now it's loading. Okay, well that's weird. Alright, hold on here. I gotta search here for another disk. That is weird. Okay. This disk is expendable. Open 15, 8, 15, I0, quote, colon, close 15. Is it going to read that disk? Lovely. Oh. Da, 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 da. System test. 100 pass. Final test. You know what? I'm going to load this 10 pass, whatever. I would like to think there's something here I can just set up and leave, that I don't have to manage. Kind of like the performance test. C64 burn-in. Looks interesting. Alright, we'll run this. Okay, soft error test. Press return to start production test. Okay, I'm putting a blank disk in. Downloading program. Well, it sounds like it's formatting the disk, so I'm glad I took this one out, but I really don't know what this is doing. If a printer is connected, the results are automatically printed. So, there's a number of things here. Soft error test for 1541 system. Press return to start production test. This does sound like it's something from the factory. It's nice to know that they would run. I can imagine that they had bunches, like one person running this bunches and bunches and bunches of times on all kinds of drives. I imagine. Almost so many that it'd be almost like however long it takes. Just go down the line, go down the line, go down the line, do more, do more, do more. Good that they know that they're working before they leave the factory. Anyway, it didn't tell me to put a scratch disk in. It didn't tell me anything. Well, I see things flashing over there. But not like an error flash. And I hear the head moving. But I have no clue what it's doing. And it's not telling me. But I suppose if I had a printer connected, it would be telling me things. But I guess it's doing good things because it keeps on doing them. So this is 970106 period F. Is this program? I guess maybe that's version F, or maybe that's, yeah, maybe that's the product number. Anyway, it's doing things. There are a number of things on this menu, of course. You can alter the device number, that's always handy. Press M for modified tests, whatever that means. Press D to check speed and belt. Press 0 to read test results. Oh, press H for end blinking meanings. Press S to stop adjustment. I wonder if I press 0 now, if it's going to tell me something, or if it's just going to keep on doing whatever it's doing. Well, it's doing something. And I guess it would be handy if I had a printer connected, because it would now be telling me things that it's doing, or that it's testing. Perhaps it would. I know you can't see this because the drive is over here, but the disk light is flashing. And every little while, you hear the head do a big, big dramatic move. I'm going to press 0. I'm going to hold it down, because this, whatever it's doing endlessly, it's not exciting to observe. Maybe it's doing whatever it's doing 10 times, because that's what I picked. Maybe. I have no clue what's going on. No clue. Oh, it does feel to me right now like it's formatting. Well, I guess I select the torture test 10 times, so why would I be surprised? So maybe I'll just leave this running and testing. And yeah. Anyway, this is a great disk with all kinds of useful programs. I don't even know where I got this from, because I know years ago I certainly didn't have it. But I don't understand why it's like the drive light is flashing in a peculiar way. But it sounds okay. Anyway, well, that's enough of that. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. I'm going to turn out the lights and let this test. Bye for now.